Do you find making frontal wigs too stressful? No matter how hard you try, you just can't seem to get it right. We have removed all the stress by custom making lace frontal wigs for you. This curly beauty is Cherish. She is 14 inches long, made from 360 lace frontal wig. Hair type is virgin Brazilian in deep curls. The color of her hair is a natural 1B. She has a 13x4 parting space, and the frontal is a free parting frontal, so you can part it anywhere you like. Her hair volume is 200 density, so that is 200 density full. Our second beauty is Maryann. She is 14 inches long, cut to style with these lovely bangs to shape your face. She is made from lace front wig. Her hair type is Cambodian hair. Yes, Cambodian hair. Her hair color is also a color 4, which has been colored by us. She has a 13x4 parting space, and the frontal is also a free parting. So if you don't want all the bangs in your face, you can always sweep it to the side. Her hair volume is 180 density full. Bonnie is our third beauty. This is one of my favorite wigs. I love big hair. She's 18 inches long, 250 density full. As you can see, she is very, very full. She is a lace frontal wig. Her hair type is Mongolian virgin hair, and the color is a natural 1B, so you can change the color, dye it, whatever you fancy. She has a 13x4 parting space. Her hairstyle is curly, and this is natural curls. If you like really full voluminous hair, she is for you. Subscribe to see more of our beautiful wigs and to learn more about wig making. Darling, darling, darling. Our fourth wig, her name is Darline. She is 18 inches long, styled with celebrity curls, lace frontal wig. Her hair type is Brazilian virgin hair, a natural 1B. She has a 13x4 parting space, and the frontal is a free parting, so you can part it anywhere, but we just made it into a center parting for you. Her hair volume is 200 density full. This is Nyla. She has lovely water curls. She is 18 inches long, lace frontal wig. Her hair type is Mongolian virgin hair. Her hair color is natural 1B. She has a 13x4 parting space, and her frontal is free parting. Like the other wigs, you can part it any way you want. Her hair volume is 200 density full. These 5 custom-made wigs are now in stock. You can order directly on our website. Also, if you would like to see me wear these beauties, comment below and I might just surprise you.